how to cash out on Sweatcoin. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, PeopInvestNet, and today I'll guide you on how you can withdraw money or cash out from Sweatcoin. Now, basically what is Sweatcoin? First, you'll have to know that Sweatcoin is a fitness app that tracks your steps and exercise, then pays in rewards. Now, so if you want to cash out, what you can do is you can simply open up your Sweatcoin. You'll be able to see an interface like this. At the top right corner, you'll be able to see your balance. Now, I just downloaded this application for this video purpose, so I don't have any balance. But if you have any, you want to tap on that top right corner, the balance option. Now here you can see there is option to spend Sweatcoins, complete free offers as well. So what you want to do is you want to tap on spend Sweatcoins here, and you can shop using your Sweatcoins balance. Now what you'll have to know is there is no direct way to cash out your coins on Sweatcoin. You can cash out using rewards, that is, you can purchase them. You can purchase rewards with it. However, the rewards that give you real money via PayPal or Amazon is very rare. So there is no way to directly cash out, but you can use the reward system and you can use to purchase rewards. So hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.